Hi everyone, it's Artist from Main Carpentry. As you can see, I've been getting some pipework done. This is hot and cold for the sink. So when you do a sink, what you need to allow for, a plumbing for if you got a dishwasher or if you got a washing machine, which you probably will, one of them, so you need to allow to have a fitting for that. So what I'll do, I'll come out in a copper here, I'll go to the side for fitting for the actual washing machine or dishwasher, whatever you would have. Obviously everyone will be different, so I'll have that and I'll show you fixings. So I got fittings, I mean, where did I put them? That's a good question. So basically a valve where you can there's a lever and you can turn it on and off easier instead of using screwdrivers. So, but what I wanted to share with you today is how to test your pipework, whether it is whether you have any leaks or not, basically. So what we got here is a compressor, just a normal compressor, and what we have done, well, my plumber helped me to do, is he came up with like an adapter bit to 15mm pipe and then a socket. So we also got, because you're gonna have two sizes, we also have a 22mm socket where basically we got 15mm going to 22 in plastic, so you can go on end of the pipe. So you can see this is all to the zero at the moment. So what you do, you put it on. It's going to be very loud, bear in mind. What you want to do, you want to go to about 5 bar. It will be loud, I do warn you, it'll be loud. So once you've done your 5 bar, you leave it for about 10-20 minutes, and that's how you're gonna tell if you got a leak in the system. That's very handy to check before you obviously connect to the water. So what I have fitted on ends, I have fitted these plastic caps. You can get in 15mm and 22mm depending on the fitting you got, and that way you can see if you got a issue with your pipework, basically. So I had this left overnight and it was fine. You don't have to do that obviously, but you can. So that way you can actually check if your pipes are sealed and you got no leaks, which is obviously very crucial before you actually turn water on, because all our pipes are running there along and down. So obviously that could be a problem if you turn all on without checking. Well, you want to do this checking before you cover the ceilings, which we did, but what I'm doing it now is checking from this, because these pipes come from the boiler, so I'm just checking this sort of link, because I know that has been checked. The plumber has checked all those pipes coming through the ceiling, along into the wall, and out under the stair cupboard. And we're gonna have our heating pipes and our main water, new main water, which we're gonna fit, which goes in copper from on the stairs up and over, and then it goes into the plastic, 22mm plastic, and we're gonna run it over to the front door where it's gonna join onto the metal pipe. So I think this is one of the crucial things you need to do, or if you're obviously doing yourselves. So that sort of compressor will set you back probably about £100, maybe you can get cheaper, and that way you're going to be sure that your pipework is solid, there's no leaks, and you could avoid, you know, big damage if there is a potential that your pipe has a, you know, a solder problem in the joint, or push feed's not on, or whatever you know doing in. Probably mainly will be done in plastic. So yeah, I hope you're gonna find it useful, and I will catch up you in the next video.